Weight loss supplements are everywhere, and Burn Slim is one of the ones promising faster fat burning, boosted metabolism, and easier weight loss. But the real question is, does Burn Slim actually work, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's dive into the facts. So Burn Slim is marketed as a natural weight loss formula that can help you burn fat, increase energy, suppress appetite, and boost metabolism just by taking its pills directly. Some ads even show dramatic before and after pictures and bold guarantees of easy results with minimal effort. But bold marketing doesn't prove effectiveness, especially for weight loss. Here's the key point. Weight loss ultimately comes down to calories in versus calories out, meaning you need a calorie deficit through diet, movement, and a combination of both. There are ingredients that may support metabolism, like caffeine, green tea extract, or capsaicin, but no supplement alone has been proven to cause significant weight loss without meaningful lifestyle changes. Many studies show modest metabolic bump or slight appetite suppression at best, nothing that replaces healthy eating and activity. In short, supplements can support weight loss efforts, but they are not magic fat burners. Most weight loss formulas include combinations of caffeine or green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia or hydroxycitric acid, mixed evidence on appetite, L-carnitine or amino acids that may help energy but minimal fat burn impact, and herbal blends or proprietary mixes that often lack transparent dosing or proven data. Even if these help a little, the effects are usually small and inconsistent across individuals, and when a product doesn't disclose dosages or clinical backing, it's hard to trust strong claims. User reviews for products like Burn Slim are typically mixed. Some people report feeling more energized or slightly reduced cravings. However, many others see no measurable difference. Few attribute any weight loss to the supplement alone, usually combined with diet changes and exercise. This pattern shows that if people see results, it's often because they changed their habits, not because the pills did all the work. So does Burn Slim actually help you lose weight? Not on its own. While it may offer small metabolic support or appetite effects, it won't deliver significant weight loss without healthy lifestyle changes like balanced eating, exercise, and calorie control. The bottom line, think of Burn Slim as a possible minor support, not a miracle weight loss solution. Real lasting results come from real habits, not pills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.